हेलो गाइस एंड वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल।
सो लास्ट वीडियो में आपने हमें बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्ट दिया था और आपको बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया था
लड्डू वाले चैलेंज जो वाला वीडियो आया था उसमें।
सो इसीलिए हमने सोचा कि एक नया चैलेंज वीडियो शूट करते हैं फॉर यू
Yes.
गाइस। तो अगर आपने वो लास्ट वीडियो नहीं देखा है तो प्लीज़ यू कैन गो एंड चेक इट आउट।
The link is coming on the upper portion of your screen
एंड डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी वो लिंक मैं डाल दूंगी
एकदम। And if you have missed our race video as well, you can go and check it in the description box as well.
सो गाइज आज का चैलेंज थोड़ा सा अलग है। ये चैलेंज ऐसा है कि हम दोनों एक दूसरे को 1 बाय 1 ब्लाइंड फोल्ड कर देंगे और हमारे पास कुछ चिप्स के पैकेट हैं तो उसको आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि वो कौन सा ब्रांड का है और कौन सा फ्लेवर का है।
Yes, exactly.
तो हम दोनों ने अलग अलग से बाय किया है चिप्स और इनको नहीं पता कि मेरे पास क्या है, मुझे नहीं पता कि इनके पास क्या है। तो हाउ आर यू फीलिंग अबाउट इट?
Yeah, I'm going to win like the last time.
लेट्स सी।
Okay, चलो तो first as a ladies first she will go. Okay, and then I'll go. इसमें कोई it is not about any time out or something. You can take your time as much as you can, and then you will be getting 1 marks for if you are correct and in by that system. So let's start the challenge right now. So guys, she is already ready, and I hope she cannot see me anymore. Okay, so chalo let's start the challenge, and first chips will be this one. So I guess I'll just open up the. Here you go. Let's see. First, you can guess the brand.
Lay's
Yes, it is Lay's, and then.
cheesy flavor
Okay, I'll just give it to her because yes, it is cheesy love. So yes, I'll give it to her. So she is partially correct. So I'll give this was a tough one, and the next is going to be this one, and oh, this is tough.
One eternity later.
Finally, 1 eternity later. So this will be her second chip.
bingo
Bingo, which one?
normal one
Normal one. There is nothing like normal one. So you have to be specific. Bingo, you have Tere Mere, you have Mad Angus. So many.
obviously this is a mad angus one.
Okay, so she is wrong. This is not the Mad Angle. Okay, so this is chaat masala, and I'm going for the third one. Okay. So this is her third, and yeah, you can remember your score. You have till now you have got 1 out of 2. So this is your third chips, and yeah, you can have it.
Lay's crisp.
Okay, yeah, she is correct. So yeah, so she is correct this time. So 2 out of 3. Her score is 2, and so this will be her fourth one. Okay. বড় বড় চিপস দিচ্ছি তোমায়। This is Kurkure something. This is yeah. This is okay. Not Kurkure. Fine. This is from.
Lay's?
No, this is from 2 Yum. This is from 2 Yum.
No, this is Lay's.
Okay. So Lay's which one? Indian Magic.
No.
Plain salted.
No, orange one.
Orange one. So what will be the name?
एक्चुअली हम बस ऐसे ही पैकेट को देख के खा लेते हैं, नाम हमें
Exactly. This
पता
happens
भी नहीं
with us.
रहता।
Yes.
Orange one, I don't remember the name.
Okay, so the like the challenge was you have to name at least something, but she just told the name of the packet, told the color of the packet to be honest. So that will not be counted as her point. So this is 2 out of 5. This you will get. So I will give this one for you. So this is her 6th packet. Let's try. Okay, here we go.
Kurkure masala one.
Kurkure masala one. So she is actually wrong. This is Tere Mere Masala Tarka. This is Tere Mere Masala Tarka. So she has got 2 out of 6. And I'm going to give her the tough ones. Okay. So this will be her 7th packet. Okay. Here we go.
Lay's, obviously.
Yes, Lay's, and
Can I get one more?
yes, absolutely, you can get one more. I'll give you 2. Just to be fair with the kids, so I'll give you 2. I gave you 3. By the way, I'm going to lose very badly.
Onion one.
What? We don't have anything like onion one.
Yeah. It's green one, onion flavor.
You're wrong. So this is Lay's classic salted. By the way, she at least scored 2. I'll score -2 because I hardly know the names of any of the chips. And yes, so this will be her. So she has got 2 out of 7. So this is her number 8. Okay. Oops. Yes. By the way, I'm not repeating. Okay, I'm not repeating. I haven't repeated.
Again bingo.
Again, bingo. Yes.
Give me one more.
Okay. Let's see.
Masala one, I think.
Okay. Okay, I'll give it to her. This is masala. So yeah, she did said it correctly that it is masala one. So yes. এটা কত নম্বর ছিল 8 নম্বর না so 3 out of 8 she is doing actually good. I'll not be able to cope up with her, I think. So this is her 9th one. I hope she'll get it. I hope. Here you go. She's just trying to feel the shape and say, okay, this is very easy. This you should get.
Lay's tomato.
Okay, you're wrong. So this is Indian magic masala. So okay, for her final one, I'll give her.
एक के बाद एक सारे चिप्स ऐसे मिक्स हो रहे हैं ना, फ्लेवर को पहचानना बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा है.
Yes, it is a fact. So I am 100% sure that she'll get it. Okay, because I'll give you the reason. There we go. You know the brand automatically. So let's try.
Kurkure.
Kurkure, yes.
Masala one. No. Let me.
You're done. You're done.
No. This I don't like.
Yes,
Achar
absolutely.
or something like.
Yes, absolutely. This is really, this is like I am a huge fan of Kurkure, but this is something which I really hate. You can just drop in the comment section what you think about this particular flavor. So yes.
इसका टेस्ट मतलब एकदम पहले जब आप खाते हो तो नॉर्मल कुरकुरे जैसा लगता है, बट
Yes.
एज यू च्यू इट फिर पता चलता है कि नहीं कुछ अलग सा है.
Okay. So you have scored 3 out of 9. So this I think you should get it because you hate this particular flavor. So you can score. You can end that number with a total of 4. Yeah. I think she doesn't know the name, so I'll reveal the name. It is uncensored tarka. Okay. So yeah, she has done it pretty well. She has done it 3 out of 10, which is very good. So I'm now going to open her blindfold. So yes, she has completed at 3 correct answers at the end of 10 chips. So now it is going to be my turn.
Can you see?
Yeah.
Don't try to see it like that.
No. Okay, and I cannot see. Okay, you can just do something, do anything in. No, I'm. It's completely blank. So yes, you can start.
Okay.
Okay.
First मैंने यहाँ पे arrange कर दिया. Now I will start. So this is the first one.
Yeah, you can give it to me. Oh, this is your favorite one, Lay's green. Oh shit. This is her favorite. This is Lay's green, right?
Yeah, but you have to mention the flavor.
Name. Okay. I know this because she's always chewing on this. Okay. At least 1 to 2 packets a day.
Not 1 to 2 packets.
Yeah, I know, 3 to 4. Is this something Americano style or onion or something like
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so I did got it on my very first go. Okay. Yeah, so I'm ready for the second.
Okay.
Yeah, I can give it.
This one is the second.
I thought. This is Indian wala. Lay's blue Indian wala. Indian salt something.
Indian salt.
Indian, I got it. I got the first name at least correct. Indian. So I'll get 2 out of 2, right? This is Indian blue wala, right?
Okay. Which one is this?
Okay. Okay, so either this is Tere Mere or this is Kurkure. Oh, this is Kurkure Masala Man. This is my favorite. I know this. Right? 3 out of 3. Chalo. Hey, I'm actually doing good. Bingo. Okay, so I think this one is Tere Mere to is like Kurkure. Is this? I don't know. This is Tere Mere. Sorry, this is Bingo. I'm sure. So
Yeah.
So what is the name actually?
Yeah, for bingo you are right, but this is the masala one, masala one.
M masala one. Okay. So you also had it. Add to the. Hey, you are repeating it. I'm fast খেয়েছি. This is that
No,
Americano
I'm not
onion, that one.
repeating. I'm not repeating.
Oh, okay. This is that yellow packet. Plain salted something like that. Yeah. So, hey, what is
No,
this?
plain salt, not plain salted.
Salted something.
Yeah.
Yeah. So salt is I got it. So তুমি আমাকে কুরকুরে দিছো and Indian classic ওটা দিয়েছো ব্লু এটা এই দুটো আমি খুব পছন্দ করি obviously আমি দুটো পাবো this is actually good. Is this the red that tomato salsa something tomato salsa?
टोमेटो साल्सा, नो नॉट टोमेटो साल्सा।
स्पेनिश समथिंग, स्पेनिश वाला रेड एक था तो
Yeah, but you have to name.
हाँ
You have to name the.
हाँ तो रेड था तो रेड यस
But you are mixing the name with 2 or 3.
ओके सो रेड बोले दिस इज स्पेनिश समथिंग स्पेनिश वर्ड था से राइट हाँ हाँ तो हो गया बस पे गई
Spanish word था तो. Okay, fine.
ठीक है या सो आउट ऑफ 6 आई गॉट 5 या I'm killing it. I'm just killing it. Yes.
Yeah.
Hey, this is popcorn. This is kurkure popcorn. God, I don't believe it. So after 7, I got 6. Okay. What lazy is it? I'm going to खाइन जाए ना अच्छा wild guess is this the orange packet
No.
okay then I have no idea
Okay.
okay 6 out of 8 bingo M masala, right?
No.
Okay. Bingo আমি নামগুলো জানি না actually. Okay, so 6 out of 9. So my last will be ভালো কিছু একটা হবে। বুঝতে পারছি না লেজার কিছু বাট বুঝতে পারছি না নো আইডিয়া কমপ্লিটলি নো আইডিয়া সো এটা কি ছিল
No, this was the orange one.
ওকে ওকে
Hot and chili. Hot and sweet
এটা আমি
chili.
খাই না খুব একটা খুবই কম খেয়েছি
One eternity later.
Okay, so this was really fun actually, and to be honest, she eats a lot more chips than me, so I never expected that I could have won this particular challenge. And yeah, again, so I'm leading 2-0. Yes, Laddu and cheese, I'm on fire.
Next time you will go first. Whenever this is cheating.
Did plan for a punishment that is kind of an ice bucket challenge. So it's pura bucket जिसमें ice it will be, but currently it is raining, so we cannot go on the roof, and the weather is also not the appropriate one for this particular punishment. So yes, in the next challenge we will be going for हाँ तुम्ही खेते ही थाको वाह. And for the next challenge we will be surely going for punishment one. You really like the video, and please hit the like buttons and give a comment. Yeah, you can always suggest new comments, because last time we did new challenges. Last time we did got a few recommendations like biryani challenge.
That's it for today's video.
I can have my tea.
बहुत ही जल्द आपसे मिलते हैं नए वीडियो के साथ. आप अपना सजेशन देते रहिए और शेयर कीजिए वीडियो को. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए अगर आपने अभी तक नहीं किया है तो. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Okay, चलो bye bye. Take care.
Bye.